The opening line of your cover letter is your first impression, so don't screw it up. What if I told you there's an easy way to create the perfect first liner for your cover letter to have recruiters begging to interview you? Well, maybe not begging, but definitely interested. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT and Google Gemini to create an awesome one-liner first impression for your cover letter so you get past the HR gatekeepers and get into an interview. Hi, I'm Bjorn from the AI Underground, and let's get started. Here's the prompt template. As with a lot of videos in this channel, you can find this prompt in the description down below. So just copy and paste it and use it for your own needs once you've watched this video. So the template is for creating one-liners, or opening liners, I should say, for cover letters. And creating an opening line that hooks the recruiter or HR person or whoever it is that's reading your resume and gets them interested in what you have to say. Just like you may cook for YouTube videos if you're familiar with that. You always got to find a way to interest people in what you're talking about before they actually want to listen. So here is the prompt. As I'm preparing to apply for, in square brackets, we have a call to action for you to specify the roles you're applying for or the specific title of the job if you have a specific job or jobs you're applying for. Put those in there. So as I'm preparing to apply for a specific job, I'm understanding the importance of standing out from the very first line of my cover letter. The traditional "I'm writing to apply for" opener seems outdated and unlikely to grab a hiring manager's attention. I'm looking for a fresh, innovative way to start my cover letter that will immediately make an impact and differentiate me from other applicants. Considering the roles I'm targeting, which often value creativity, innovation, and the ability to engage in an audience, you can customize those to whatever you need, but those type of roles are common across many different jobs and roles. Could you suggest some unique opening lines or strategies for my cover letter? Here's a bit of my background to help you to tailor your suggestions. And here we paste in our resume or a list of relevant background to the job we're applying for. And then ChatGPT analyzes that, and Gemini does as well. We're going to use both in this video. Given this information, what are some engaging, unconventional ways to start my cover letter that reflect my background, professional expertise, and enthusiasm for the role? I am particularly interested in openers that immediately showcase my value and relevance to the role, ways to incorporate storytelling or personal anecdotes that relate to the job or company values, creative formats or angles that differ from the standard cover letter introduction, yet remain professional. Your insights will be instrumental in helping me craft a cover letter opener that not only captivates but also conveys my qualifications and excitement for the opportunity. There you have it. There's our prompt. Let's copy and paste this into GPT. And then we're going to change this role to professional gardener. No, I can't do that because the resume I'm going to paste in is a tech resume. Although, you know what? Let's do this. Landscape IT professional. So I'm applying for landscape IT professional, but my background based on the resume, a fictitious resume, is going to be more traditional IT. Paste the resume in there. And I want GPT and Gemini to look at my resume and give me suggestions for applying to a landscape IT job, even though my experience is not in landscape IT. Let's say go, see what it says. I'm going to paste this over into Gemini as well while GPT is working, and Gemini is so much faster, I found. Let's see how fast it goes. GPT's done. Sorry, Gemini's done. GPT has barely started. Showcase immediate value. Gemini says impactful stats opener. Incorporate storytelling. Storytelling opener. That's what we requested, so it's not surprising they did both of those. Creative formats or angles. Creative format opener. GPT goes a whole lot further. Gemini stopped at those three that we asked for specifically, more or less specifically, in our cover letter, or sorry, not cover letter, in our prompt. Whereas GPT goes a little farther and adds some more. And so the great thing is that not only is it understanding what we want, but it's taking our resume and it wrote an example for a showcasing immediate value based on our resume for the job that we said we're applying for. I'm not going to read through all of this. I'm just going to read through this first one. so you can see what the value is, and you could tailor this example here for your own needs if you like it, or totally create something totally different. But we're just using GPT and Gemini to kind of get our brain juices flowing and get us thinking about what we want and how we want to present ourselves. So what it says here, transforming challenges into opportunities has been the hallmark of my career in IT. Notably, at Covisto Medical, I led a seamless transition of over 100 employees to Windows 10, significantly enhancing our operational efficiency and security posture. I'm eager to bring this forward-thinking approach and my robust systems administrative expertise to company's name, Salesforce IT team. Clearly, I don't know where I got that from. So we want to have in here, bring the expertise to whatever your company is, in this case, the landscaping firm. And that's pretty good. Pretty good. It took the information we gave it and made a nice opening line. Let's see what Gemini did. The impactful opener. Imagine boosting customer satisfaction by 75% through a strategic IT upgrade. That's like a YouTube video opener. That's exactly what I achieved at Covisto Medical, transitioning 100 plus employees to Windows 10 while maintaining HIPAA compliance. As a dedicated IT specialist with a passion for optimizing IT landscapes, I'm eager to bring my proven skills to your team. I think it mistook the landscaping firm IT that I meant it to understand. And anyway, so I find this opener better. I find Gemini better at writing these kind of catchy things. And it might be a little too catchy. It might be a little too 2024 social media style. You might want to tone that down a bit. If you combine GPT and Gemini, you'll get a pretty nice version right down the middle. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy both of these outputs, including the prompt, in the description down below, so you can check out what both of the results are. And what I want you to do is take that prompt, put it into ChatGPT and Gemini, or one or the other, whichever is your favorite, and apply it to your situation and see what results you get. Next up, check out this video right here, which is all about modifying and customizing your cover letter to match the job description. Your one-liner that you made in this video will be the beginning of this perfect cover letter that you create in that video. And if you haven't done so yet, click subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. My name is Bjorn from the AI Underground. Till next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.